This spy camera sells for about 60 bucks on Amazon. It records to a mini SD card. It only records when it detects motion, and it'll even stream video back to the phone it's connected to. And quite honestly, this one is easier to spot than a lot of others. The hidden cameras can be disguised as outlet covers, alarm clocks, battery chargers, even smoke detectors. If you don't know what you're looking for, you could be standing right in front of one and never realize it. Take the smoke detector I found online. It looks normal, but it would never detect a fire. It's built to record video. So how would you know something like that is fake? If you're staying in a hotel or short-term rental, here's what you can do. First, look for power sources. Some cameras run on batteries, but most need constant power, so follow the cables from the outlets. Check what's plugged in. Next, turn off the lights. Use your phone's flashlight and slowly scan the room. Camera lenses reflect light. Look carefully at shelves, vents, clocks, picture frames, decorative objects. Watch for small reflections or tiny blinking LEDs. And then there are apps that claim to detect hidden cameras on Wi-Fi. I've tested several of them, and most don't give you useful information. If something feels a little off where you're staying, trust your instinct. Scan the room with your eyes with the flashlight, and if you find something like this, don't touch it. Take some photos, call police. They may be able to get some evidence, including fingerprints from it. Hidden cameras rely on people not noticing them. So warn your kids. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamey Tucker.